We're here in Premier Manufacturing's testing lab. We're showing you the new 335 NT prototype. Kind of take you through the operation. This is just a safety pin. Make sure that the upper latch doesn't come disengaged. So we just pull that and just press up at the top of the upper latch. It opens the lower latch. Spring bias open lower latch. Now when we close the coupling, we just pull down right in this groove. Place the safety pin back in the hole, and that's it. I'd like to point out the main differences between our housing and the competitor products. What we've done on this is incorporated polymer washers on the front and rear faces, and that allows this to seal as well as give the steel a much better surface to wear against. It's much better to wear against this polymer than steel on steel. Another major difference between ours and competitor products is this style of lock nut. This is a nylon inserted lock nut. This allows you to set an initial preload on the coupling, and it's going to stay there, and you can adjust it to however you like. The competitor product uses this style of nut, which can never perfectly be set. You're confined by this cotter key. Something unique on this latching system is how we've integrated the pins and the grease zerk to the latch pieces themselves. So when we rotate these, the pin is rotating with the latches. Now this happens on both the upper and bottom. What that does is help distribute that lubrication around that hole. So as you're moving this, you're actually working that lubrication around the hole. I'm going to go over connecting the drawbar eye and the pintle and some of the features involved in that. So as we showed before, just press up on that upper latch. Now one thing to point out with this is this was designed to be reinforced and help guide the drawbar eye into the pintle. So even if we hit up here, you can see the angle on here is going to help guide that down in there. So once we're connected, we close the latch. Now we obviously have axial articulation in this direction, but also we designed this with 35 degrees in this orientation and 40 degrees in that orientation. So very good for off-road applications.